Here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny trail. Hippity-hoppity, Easter's on his way. Oh, hi. I'm Jim from Sabrosa Firearms Training. With Easter coming up, we've got a special treat in store, just in time for the holidays. Hippity-hoppity, Easter's on his way. So nothing says Easter like a good old-fashioned Easter egg hunt. Who's thought about doing that with a pistol? Well, I have, because one of the things that's really important to learn when you're shooting is target discernment and being accurate in your shots. So we're going to have an Easter egg hunt, a good old-fashioned Easter egg hunt, but we're going to be using our pistols. Hippity-hoppity, Easter's on its way. Now let's do some shooting. So rule number 4, know your target and what's beyond it or moving in front of it. So target discernment is an important practice when you're learning defensive pistol. So this exercise will help you do that a little bit, because she's going to call the target that I need to shoot, and then I need to go back and do to whatever it is I happen to be doing. In your Easter bonnet, with all the frills upon it, you'll be the prettiest really in the Easter parade.
Threat yellow.
I'll be all in clover
Threat blue.
when they look you over. I'll be the grandest fella in the Easter parade.
Threat green.
On the avenue, talking about the avenue. The photographers will snap us, and you'll find your way in the rotogravure.
Threat pink.
Oh, I could write a sonnet in your Easter bonnet, and I'll be the proudest fellow in the Easter
Threat orange.
parade. In the Easter parade. Happy Easter, everybody.